Alright guys, so people keep asking me for a natural dirt vacuuming video with this vacuum, and y'all know I hate natural vacuuming without, notice that, out, without a passion. So usually when I just vacuum the house or natural vacuum the house, I don't record it because it's just something that I just want to get done and over with already. But I literally have not vacuumed this floor at all with this new vacuum. So I actually haven't vacuumed it at all in about a week. And I just want to see what we can get up with this vacuum. So I'm just going to go ahead and if I can get it out. There we go. Go ahead. I'm done what's already in here. Gosh, my bin dumping skills are a struggle today. So let's just dump what's already in there. It's on the second setting like it usually is. And then we're just gonna go ahead and start. Okay, great restoration right now. I think it's on the wrong setting for this floor, maybe because I hear a wheel, like a squeaky noise. These lines are really nice. See how far we can reach. Okay, so that's how far we can reach. Not bad. It can come all the way over here. That's not bad. fit perfectly. Get mine's stand. Okay, I'm sorry if none of the angle came out correct. My brain just did kind of like a brain fart. And I forgot I was recording it for a second. Now she's back at me. So I'm gonna hold it right this time. Let's go here. This is what we got. Before I vacuum this up, I just want to say, not to be rude, not to be a bitch, but I don't owe anyone a natural dirt video. None of us owe anyone a natural dirt video. None of us owe anyone a vacuum test video. None of us owe anyone a video, period. So all of the people who just want to come in the comments and who want to say stuff like we have to make natural dirt videos, no we don't. For people who act like we have to put stuff down on the floor, no we don't. But speaking for myself, my channel is called Vacuum Test. It is not called Vacuum Natural. It's not called Natural Vacuum. It's not called any of that. So I make the videos that I want and that my channel thrives off of, because it is exactly that. It's my channel. So if I don't want to do natural vacuuming ever again, if I don't even vacuum my house outside of making a video, that is completely and utterly up to me. I don't have to listen to anyone continuously tell me how to vacuum my house, when to vacuum my house, what to do in my house with my vacuum cleaners. Whatever you want to do in your videos, 100% up to you. You don't ever see me telling people what to do with their vacuum cleaners, what to do in their videos, or what to do at their house. So I would very much appreciate it if people kept that same courtesy and decency to mind their business when it comes to other people's videos and when it comes to other people's houses. I don't care how you may feel about this. I don't care if you won't follow me, period. All I'm going to say is that when it comes to other people who make videos, when it comes to people on YouTube, when it comes to people in general, you mind your business. It does not matter. It does not matter at all what people want to do with their vacuum cleaners or what people want to do with their house. It doesn't matter what they want to vacuum up. It doesn't matter if they never do natural vacuuming in their house. It does not matter to you because it is none of your business. Nobody paid for this carpet in my floor. Nobody paid for my vacuum. Nobody paid for any of the stuff that I put in my videos. So I just want you to know that right now, that I don't want to see any more of those comments that are like, do this, do that, you need to do this, you need to do that. You can ask, and I can say yes or no, depending on how I feel and what I'm comfortable with, and that's for everyone else. You don't get to tell them what they need to do. That's not your place, that's not your job, that's not your responsibility. Your responsibility is to worry about yourself. So, if y'all are done with that little shenanigans that y'all have going on, then I would like to get back to what I want to do, and that's vacuum up this huge pile of dirt right here. Thank you. And if you don't like it, everything you own's on a box, take a step, because you can leave my channel. I don't care, honestly. And that's all I want to say. That's all I'm gonna say. Here we go. I done messed up my good lines. hurt my finger. You keep talking that mess, that's fine, but could you walk and talk at the same time? And it's my name on the tag. Oh, Fred, what is happening? Okay, right back down. Alright. Those are the lines. Absolutely love the lines from this vacuum cleaner. Like, look at that. Look at that. That is gorgeous. But that will be all for this video. I'm gonna go finish reading my book, watching some videos, and hope to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Mwah.